Assalamualaikum. Today I'll teach you class 3 subject mathematics and video code is 24.7.4 and part number 4. So today we will learn about parameter and parameter of a triangle, a square and a rectangle. Today we will learn about parameter of a rectangle, a square and a triangle. So first we have a rectangle. This is 18 centimeter. This line A and B is 18 centimeter and next line B and D 8 centimeter and A and D 8 centimeter and D, C and D is 18 centimeter. So as you know rectangles की जो width है वो length से different होती है. So these two and these two sides like AB equals है C and D के. So we find the parameter of these shape. We find the parameter of rectangle shape. We have a AB have 18 centimeter. Next C and D 18 centimeter. B and D equals to 8 centimeter and A and C equals to 8 centimeter. Add all these length. Add all these 4 length 1, 2, 3 and 4 lengths. 18 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 18 centimeter plus 8 centimeter equals to 52 centimeter. So parameter of the rectangle, the parameter of this rectangle is A, B, C, D is 52 centimeter. Okay. So rectangle parameter of this rectangle parameter of this rectangle is 52 centimeter. The parameter is the total length. We can say that the parameter is the total length of the boundary of any shape. We can say that the parameter of is the total length of the boundary of any shape. So next we have a square parameter. In square parameter में you know that all the sides of square are equal. So we have a SN 19 centimeter, NN 19 centimeter, AN 19 centimeter, SN 19 centimeter. So now we find the parameter of square. So SN is equal to 19 centimeter, NN equals to 19 centimeter, AN 19 centimeter, S equal to 19 centimeter. So we find the parameters, add all the lengths of this square. So 19 centimeter plus 19 centimeter plus 19 centimeter plus 19 centimeter equals to 76 centimeter. SNAN is the parameter of square. SN is the 76 is the parameter of this square shape. So next we have a triangle parameter. So triangle, these two shapes are equal and this shape is E and M is different from these two shapes. So triangle EM equals to 20 centimeter, EM equals to 20 centimeter and M and D is equal to 17 centimeter. Measure the scale for centimeter for this line. Next we have a D and E. D and E equal to 17 centimeter. Now add all the lengths of this triangle, 3 sides 1, 2 and 3. So 20 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 17 centimeter plus 17 centimeter equals to 54 centimeter. This is the triangle parameter of triangle DEM. This is the parameter of 54 is the triangle. So today we will learn the parameter of a rectangle, square and triangle. Thank you. Okay, now next we have a question number 4, book page number 203. Book का page number 203 and question number 4. Measure the sides and record the parameter of each shape. Remember to write the unit. Okay. So we have a triangle. So in previous lecture we learned triangle and this shape and this shape. So question number 4 and part number A, B and C. So we have a SU 4 centimeter SU plus, for parameter we add the all length of this triangle, SU plus TU plus ST. So SU is equal to 4 centimeter, and TU equal to 3 centimeter and TS equal to 4 centimeter, and the perimeter of this triangle is 11. So next we have a B. So this shape FE equals to 2.5 centimeter, E and D equals to 3.8 centimeter, C and D equals to 5.7 centimeter, C and F equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now add all the length of this triangle. Add for perimeter, we add all the length of this triangle of this of this diagram. So we add this one, this one, this one, this one. So perimeter of this diagram is 15.5. Next we have a C and we have a L, K. M and L equals to 3 centimeter and K L equals to 5.6 centimeter, and J and K equals to 4.9 centimeter, and JM equal to 2 centimeter. Now add all the length of this diagram for find the perimeter. So ML plus KL plus JK plus JM plus. So perimeter equals to 15.5 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. So next we have a question number 5 of your book, page number is 193. So draw line segment of given length A equal to PQ is equal to 4 centimeter, and B equal to Y is equal to C centimeter, and C FG equal to 8 centimeter, D A B equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, first we have a PQ equal to 4 centimeter. First take the scale and measure the 4 centimeter. Okay, PQ is the 4 centimeter. Next YZ, draw the 6 centimeter line, and FG draw the 8 centimeter line from help of scale. Next AB, draw the 7 centimeter of this line. So next we have a question number 6. Using a ruler, draw pairs of parallel line of the given length in your notebook. सो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ये है कि आपने रूलर की मदद से पेयर ड्रॉ करने हैं पैरेलल लाइंस के ऑफ द गिवन लेंथ, जो आपको लेंथ गिवन है इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर A इक्वल टू 2 सेंटीमीटर. So we draw a line of 2 centimeter from the help of ruler. So आपने क्या करना है, आपने 2 parallel line draw करनी है of 2 centimeters की. इस तरह we have a question number P. B equal to 5 centimeter and draw the 2 parallel line of 5 centimeters. C equal to 1 centimeter, draw the 1 centimeter 2 parallel lines. And D is equal to 6 centimeter, draw the 6 centimeter 2 parallel lines. And E equal to 3 centimeter and draw the 2 parallel line of 3 centimeter. And AF equals to 7 centimeter, AF equal to 7 centimeter and draw the 2 parallel line of 7 centimeter which show the A and D. Okay, so this is the today's lecture. I hope you students are understand. Thank you so much.